460, thank you, sir. Rajasthan Royals. 480, back to KKR. 5 crore round up the Royals. 520, say KKR. And 540 for the Royals. 560, KKR. 580, Rajasthan. 6 crore it is for Kolkata. 620 for the Royals. 640. 660 for the Royals. 680, Kolkata. 7 crore with the Royals. 720, say Kolkata. 740 for the Royals. 760. And 80. 780. Ahead of you, Kolkata. 780. 8 crore back with the Knight Riders. 820 with the Royals. 840, KKR. 860, Royals. 880, say Kolkata. 9 crore, say Rajasthan. 920, Kolkata. 9 crore 40 for the Royals. 9 crore 60. 9 crore 80 with the Royals. 10 crore back with Kolkata at 10 crore. 1020, Rajasthan Royals. 1040 for Kolkata. 10 crore 60, Rajasthan Royals. 1080 for the Knight Riders. 11 crore Rajasthan. And 20 for Kolkata. 1140 Royals. 1160 Kolkata. 1180, thank you, sir. Royals at 1180. 12 crore, Kolkata rounded up. At 12 crore and 20. 12 crore 20. Say Rajasthan. 1240, say Kolkata. $12.60, thank you, sir. At $12.60, Rajasthan Royals at $12.60. $12.80, back with Kolkata now. At 12 crore 80, ahead of you, Royals. 13 crore it is, thank you. 13 crore with the Royals. 1320 goes back to the Knight Riders. $13 crore 20 with the Knight Riders. Rajasthan asks for a moment to think. 1340, they come back positive. 1360 for the Knight Riders. $13 crore 60 with the Knight Riders. Cool. Rajasthan in conversation. Done. 13 crore 60, the Royals are out with the Kolkata Knight Riders now at 13 crore and 60 lakh for Cameron Green so far. Do we have any other team? Welcome Chennai, 1380. Welcome to the fray. Chennai Super Kings at 1380. Ahead of you now, Kolkata. 14 crore, say Kolkata. 1420, CSK. 1440 for KKR. 1460, Chennai. 1480, Kolkata. 15 crore, CSK. 1520, back with the Knight Riders. 1540, say CSK. 1560, Knight Riders. 1580, thank you, sir. Chennai Super Kings at 1580. 16 crore, thank you sir from Kolkata, at 16 crore. 1620 CSK. 1640 KKR comes back. 1660 for CSK. 1680, thank you KKR. 17 crore, Chennai Super Kings at 17 crore now. 1720 for Kolkata. And 40, 1740, straight back from Chennai. 1760, say the Knight Riders. 1780, thank you sir, Chennai Super Kings. 1780, bid with them. 18 crore with KKR at 18 crore. $18.20, thank you sir. CSK comes in at $18.20, $18.40 KKR. $18.60, thank you sir. CSK $18.60. $18.80 KKR. And 19 crore with CSK. Sure, take a second. You've come a long way. $19 crore, Kolkata is thinking. 1920, they say yes. At 1920 now, Kolkata bids. Sure, CSK takes a second. 1940, thank you sir. 19 crore 40, say the Super Kings. 1960, the Knight Riders are still in at 1960. 1980 from the Super Kings. 20 crore on my right. Kolkata's bid at 20. 20 crore and 20 lakhs, say CSK. $20.40. 20 crore and 40 lakh on my right. $20.60 with CSK. $20.80 for Kolkata. And 21 crore is Chennai Super Kings. $21.20. KKR stays in at $21.20. Yes, take a second. Chennai's asked for a brief thinking moment. 21 crore and 20 lakh with Kolkata. 21 crore 40. Thank you. That decision was quick. CSK is in at 21.40. 21 crore 60, say Kolkata. 21 crore 80, back with CSK. And 22 crore is the Kolkata Knight Riders bid. 22 crore and 20 lakh for CSK. 22 crore and 40 lakh for the Knight Riders. 22.60 for CSK. 22 crore 80 lakh for KKR. And 23 crore is for the Chennai Super Kings. At 23 crore. 23 crore and 20 lakh, say Kolkata. 23.40, says Chennai. 23 crore and 60 lakh for Kolkata. 23 crore and 80 lakh for Chennai. And 24 crore, Kolkata rounds it up. CSK asks for a moment. That was quick, 24-20. CSK comes right back. 2440, thank you, Kolkata. 2460 for the Super Kings. 2460, 2480 for the Knight Riders. And 25 crore it is on my left with the Chennai Super Kings at 25 crore. Kolkata thinks. $25.20, thank you, sir. Kolkata's in at $25.20. Done. At 25 crore and 20 lakh, Chennai is out. The bid is on my right with the Kolkata Knight Riders at 25 crore and 20 lakh. At 25 crore and 20 lakh with the Knight Riders. All done. Last chance for anybody else. All through. And selling then, if everyone's completely sure, Cameron Green to the Kolkata Knight Riders at 25 crore and 20 lakh. Congratulations.